featuring of the King's Speech, an Academy Award-winning film for Best Picture and Best Director or Movie. How was the conflict being resolved?
Country already has a team, pero the team has difficulty in communicating those people. So that is already the conflict. So and the solution is may isang tao na pumunir sa kanya to deliver the communication to encourage the people to fight. I will be the one to give the letter name. Teacher Group will give the letter sound, and the group mates will give the verb. Kaya tinawag mo deeper ang sound, British accent and American accent. Sa America, nakita natin kung sila upo. Pero actually, in our teaching, the sound is ano lang siya. We are following the British accent.
Same lang naman sa sarili natin, ang mga amang ng God na may problema sa ilang break. Ang ilang detect lang, ang ilang speech lang, hearing nila.
Okay, what have you learned? Okay, Marin.
Teaching communication in a special time is not easy. So we will do it step by step in an easy way.
Okay. So, what have you realized? Ma'am, Amos.
Oh no!
Naimat, Ma'am. Naimat. I promise to do my best today.
What we call the ASL. In the United States, they are using the ASL, American Sign Language. In Japan, Japan Sign Language. In Korea, Korea Sign Language. Lain-lain mag-signals para lain-lain mag-signals. So, masunod ka sa alphabet. At gusto ko yung sige. Kung saan ka rin nakita sa letter A. O, ayaw ka na. Good job, diba? B. Ayaw ko lang yung space. No? C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, then A, L, okay, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Kung hindi kinakatatanag isinias, ito lang importante na nagdala sa iyang message. Matutuloy mo iyang isinias. F, G, H, I, J, A, Good morning.
Naka-bright, hindi siya pulukod.
Okay, grandfather. Okay, pero kung hindi mo ganito ko ang katunglulo mo hindi sa una, lola, yung parang yung anak mo lugan sila. Kung sila manita sa iyo, observant na lang sila. So, ang advantage sa sign language is, bisag lang yun, you can communicate.
Sige na, partner. Kung nga kasi difficulty, reading ba niya, writing, spelling, counting, and calculating niya, happy ko, kayo ng happy. Pa-share na ko. Eh sir, masigurahan ko share sir.
Calculating, ma'am, especially problem solving.
Ako na yung nag-teacher ka sir, no? Nag-listen siya. Diri na pe. Bakit ko rin? Sir, nag-tweet kay Gobble Hair.
Libo ko sa upang ma'am, pero lisod-lisod din sa mga spelling sa kawa.
Anong difficulties? Sa kanyang ganun. Why? Because, why? Basa! Oh, nakain yung word behind. Oh, pwede siya hereditary. Ayaw pa sa grade 6 teacher. Bisang short no word, no confuse, no? At pagaling ito. Gusto na pagpapas. Actually, manatong may one time lang, pinatong is sinasakta. Masakta ito ka po na ang bata na yan. Kaya i-profile ba bata? Pero dapat sila ang chance. Babato na pinatong sila. I think inclusive.
These or her development status and physical conditions. So wala yung napili na bata, bisa ba ang lamang kapasidad or physical na condition. So as pet teachers, it is then your task and responsibility to provide appropriate educational programs and services to create opportunities for success to this type of learners.
Okay, good afternoon. My task is teaching strategies for learners with difficulty in mobility. This is decision 3 of this 111.
Ready, get set, go! Lagi na lang din ang
Bisita na!